Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and we have an iPhone with a bulging battery, broken display, and a broken back cover. So let's get to it. So you can see here that the display has been lifted up from the frame, and this is common when your battery is already old or it's not an original Apple battery. It will get bloated and push up the display from the frame and potentially damage it and crack it. This one is not that bad compared to other cases that we've seen in the past here in the shop. And this is an iPhone 12 Pro Max according to the customer, but we will find out later that this is not an iPhone 12 Pro Max. We're gonna remove the display. The display very scratched up. There's some dust inside the smartphone. And we're gonna remove the retaining clip. We're gonna remove these screws. There's a few of them, albeit very small. I'm gonna lift this up and expose the connectors for the battery and display. We're also gonna remove a couple of screws here. There's a clip here. It's holding on to the second retaining clip for the display connector. We're gonna reattach the battery, and this is our replacement display for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. But since this is not an iPhone 12 Pro Max, David just discovered it midway the repair. We took out another display for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. So this is quite a very drastic change of plans. Our replacement display is already in stock, so no problems there. We are gonna test it and it's working. We're gonna remove some hardware from the old display and transfer it to our replacement display. It's gonna be tricky. There's some connectors and thin flex cables on this hardware. We're gonna peel that off. There you go. Gonna put that to the side. And this is our replacement battery. We're gonna replace the battery as well. So we're gonna replace the display and the battery. The back cover, not so much, because you need to laser etch that one because the back cover glass is held on by a strong layer of adhesive. It's gonna be messy, and we recommend that you replace the entire frame housing. That's the quickest and safest way to do it. But if you have a phone case, the back cover is not really an issue. And right here, David is reinstalling some components that we have removed from the old display. These screws are very tiny, very tiny. If you don't have the tools and experience in fixing iPhones, maybe you just go to a local service technician that you trust and have them do it for you. And just like David is doing here, he's doing it very quickly, to be honest. Can't do it this fast, but here we are gonna test both the battery and the front display. This is gonna be the final test. Let's see if it works. Well, that works. There's a slight delay there. The battery is also good. There you go. I'm gonna do a few bits of testing and we'll continue with our disassembly. This is an iPhone 13 Pro Max, alright? Gonna shut this phone down. Remove the replacement display and the replacement battery. And now we're gonna continue with the removal of the old battery. Gonna spray some IPA on the side here. IPA is fairly safe. It evaporates really fast, but it makes the adhesive pretty soft, so we can remove sticky components like this battery. We're also gonna clean up the frame. The new battery will just slide back in. Very straightforward replacement. It's also very high quality. David is sourcing good replacement batteries for iPhones. So if you are in need of a new battery for your iPhone 11, 12, whatever, go to Sydney CBD Repair Center. And look at the gunk. What? I'm gonna clean this off. And the frame is already cleaned up. We're gonna install the battery connector and the display connectors. There's 2 of them. And that's gonna be it. We're just gonna reassemble everything, put back all the screws, and perform some testing and give it back to our client. So if you're in need of a new display for your iPhone 13 Pro Max, go to Sydney CBD Repair Center. If you're outside of Sydney and you can visit us personally, you can mail in your broken iPhone and we'll fix it here in the shop and mail it back to you once we are done fixing it. I'm gonna close this device up and put back the 2 pentalobe screws. And don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. We release new videos every day. So if you're into smartphone repair, technology, this is the channel for you. Thanks for joining, guys. We'll see you again next time. Take care of yourself. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious.